So in this last part, we'll be doing multiple select choice type of question. Then as well, we'll be doing adding dates. We'll be adding our phone number. Then as well, we'll be adding maybe media files or pictures kind of question. Then we'll teach us how to, publish our survey. So without wasting our time, let's go back to our Excel form. The next thing we'll be asking then as well, if the time permits, we can also section group our questions into different sessions. So the next question is going to be for crime details. So what type of crime does it occur? Like what type of crime occurrence do we have in the environment of the building? Let's put that. So that's going to be multiple choice. Multiple. Select multiple listening. Then crime occurrence. So on the choice list, you're going to type crime. Then we're going to have what's it called? The list of the crimes. Let's check. Okay, we have burglary, robbery, vandalism, assaults. Then let's just type burglary, vandalism. Burglary, robbery, vandalism, assault, theft. Assault. Theft, then other crime. In sake of time, then come back here, this leads to then the question is going to be what type of crime persists in so come back to this, we make it minimal as usual. Then this forgot to make it minimal the other time. Then we make them, all these questions are actually required. They are very essential, else you don't want your field workers to do rubbish. I mean to skip any of these questions because they are very, very relevant. So then we can now make this text that in case that will be other crime. To specify in case if there is any other crime, then in that case don't forget to put the relevance. Open curly brackets. It's now going to be crime occurrence. Close curly brackets equals to that's going to be other crime. That's when you click on other crime. So let's save and check what we've done. So you will notice that this particular choice is different from the previous. Then burglary, you can select multiple options, but in case you select other, sorry, we made a mistake here the other time. We are supposed to, I think we make a mistake. Yes, this is a mistake. Other. So when you select other, then it gives you option to actually write type the particular crime that's not among this. Then you can type. See, so that's for that. Then let's go to the next question. I think this should be under the survey question, so you can always insert in case if you forget to add some things. Okay, let's this way, insert. Then you can always insert another question in between your questions. This one we want to add the date and time. So let's put date, time. Don't take it because it's a kind of date, time. Then it's going to be date and time of the date and time of survey. So this, you might want to make it to secure your data that they will not be able to have access to edit the date and time. So the way to do that is to make it read-only if possible. It's required, yes. You can as well make it read-only. You can hide it. If you select hidden, it's going to hide it, but you can only see it at the back end. You can make it read-only. Then you can make it read-only. Then you can set it as you can set the default. You can make it to read the exact time and the exact day that the survey is being opened or is being accessed. So it will do it to make it to automatically generate the date and the particular time the survey started. If you save, let's go back to the preview so you can see. So this is dates. So can you see it has automatically picked the date and the time that this survey is opened. So the next one is to add a file, which is your what's it called, image, to take pictures. So it will be picture or photo, building photo, picture of the building, picture of the building. Then you can decide to pick anything from here, but I would rather leave it, the way it is. You select yes. Then if you save, you would see that it would actually give you option to take a photograph. This is it. You can actually snap picture. Then you can either upload a picture. So that will be all for the question types, and at least we've been able to do one or two to see how logic works, to see some what's it called, expressions, to add some expression and some other things to a survey. So without wasting our time, there is one other thing. You want to group your survey. Like, okay, you can as well group your survey in this manner. You can insert. For this, I will have to, fill. So here you can type begin group. You can select begin group for this. Why is it not typing? Okay. Can either okay, let's set for this from this point, which is access control, and set, let's see, should work. Okay. Sorry, let's group our access control. Then the name is going to be access control. And this should be access to group. I'm teaching us how to access to this will be access control. Then to end group, you can insert here. Then under this, you click on end group. Then if you save, you will see your group here. See that it has automatically grouped. Then you can as well do something. You can also set the appearance of your group. So if you come here, if you don't want your group to be scattered, you can come to this place under this. You can set it to be compact. But before that, let's see, before we save, you can see this is the group. This is the group. So you can make it compact that it will not open until, like, it won't be opened like this when you set it. So if you make it compact, if you save it, you can always see it here like this. It's going to be closed until you open it. It's going to be closed until you open it. Yes, not like this, until you open it. And see, this is a good one. So after doing this, you can always set your check the view of your survey any way you want it, anyhow you want it. Then again, you can set your appearance from here, your color, your header, and the likes. Then after doing all that and you're satisfied with the outcome, next thing is to click on publish. Then you publish your survey. Then After doing that, once your survey is successfully published, then you have to log in to your ArcGIS online account. Then you do your configuration, configure the settings of your survey before you start sharing your survey to your field workers. So that's complete. Then you come to your you log into your organizational ArcGIS online. So then you come on your personal account, you open, then you go straight to Survey123. Once you open Survey123, then you locate that particular survey that you just created, which is building security assessment. You open it, click on it to open, then you go straight to collaborate. Then under the overview, you can actually you can see it's private, and then you go to collaborate. It's still private. You go to collaborate so that you can edit the settings. Now, this is the link to the survey. You can as well copy from here, or you can print out the QR code for people to scan so that they can fill. Then you can set it, share this survey to, open the survey in browser directly, or ask user how to open the survey in browser or in the Survey123 application. So you can decide to choose whichever one you want. Then who can submit this survey? If you want to make it public, that everybody will have access to it, you can choose public. If you want only the member of your organization to be the only one that can be able to fill the survey and to submit, you can as well pick this. Or if you have a selected group that you have created, you can actually do that. So I'm going to choose public, and what can submitters do? Only add new record. I know you don't want them to add an update record and all. So once you are done with this, you can save. Then it will ask you how you want to save the sharing level. Then you can click on save. Okay. So once you save, then you can go ahead to share the link to anybody. So let's take, for example, now, let's open this survey in new tab. Then see from here, this is what it looks like on the screen when people want to, when they want to fill in the. So it has taken it, fill, say FCT, you can see. So as it, this is the stuff it's filling. So thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to our channel. Thank you.